Hello, welcome to a new unboxing video. Today we got another mixer that hopefully will fucking work this time. And yeah, different brand, this pile is ass. Pile of shit. Everything I read. Get it PYLA pile of shit. Okay. Funny enough, the dude that's covering the labels are both broke. I'm gonna use this you guys. But I don't have much time to do the rest of the tearing up the. This is the right thing, I'm pissed. Took 2 weeks to get here almost. Fucking idiots. They're not in stock with me? I don't know. It'll be here Monday. It'll be there that Monday, but it hasn't shipped yet. Like, bitch, what the fuck? That Monday rolls around. Nothing. It'll be here Thursday. Found shipped yesterday, by the way. Stupid Amazon. Also, look at the orders on. There's even the Amazon, the order button. To use a beer. I may have seen a birthday gift. I mean, really. Whoops. Shit, that didn't work at all. Alright. MG10. Oh, God, that's heavy. Okay. And up and away. For evil vampire, sweet. Okay, I was looking at that. I'm gonna try to make it at some point, so. Let me open this thing. You just doing it for me, and that kind of is. Just cut along here. Get in. Yeah. Screw on knob hangers. 15% mixer thing. Oh, it didn't quit them. So it's very possible to either get a mixer by itself, same model, or a mixer with this cable, which is 3.5mm stereo to dual mono, or technically stereo, 3.5 cables. Mono 3.5. No, god damn it. Stereo 3.5 to 4th inch mono. Stereo, fuck. Just 2 cables a minute. High quality microphone cable. First the let's see the jacks here. That's a lot of cable. What is 2 of this? Yeah, I think there are. Yeah. Is that the same price as like you get either the mixer by itself or the mixer plus these 3 cables? So yeah, you know what I picked. I wonder if these are the same price. It's kind of odd. I'll take it. They honored it to take it. And no, I really want to use the mixer. So we got 4 microphone jacks. I have 1 mic, so it's kind of useless. We have on the back here, looks like it's a power switch. And the fan. No. The power input. Let's do it again. You better look at it. And the 4. That's what I put in the camera from jacks. 4th inch input, 3 4th inch inputs, 2 RCA inputs, stereo output, monitor out, aux and headphones. So I really wanted to, I should just connect these 2 there and run this to a sound card. But I didn't unbox this because it got here early. And I wanted to take the tension off the cables. I think they were kind of bending. I have this bettering, I don't know how to say it. Oh, line to USB. I have a 10X using that. I like this to USB out for like $30 more. Or for $50 more. This is just $20 more to get that cable. Or then the USB. So that will hopefully work right here. The USB. Alright. So I got this at 2:30 in the afternoon. It took me until I got a shower at 7:30 to realize that remember that there's no fucking RCA output on this. So I have, this is one of my speakers. This is for editing. I just have the volume out for editing. And yes, I had to go headphones, quarter inch, 3.5. Quarter inch stereo to 3.5 to 3.5 to RCA to them speakers. This is a Turtle Beach 3.5 or 3.5 to RCA, whatever. Then there's ones of the medical speakers. It also occurs to me that I forgot to plug in the damn power cable. So I'll be back, I guess. Damn it. Alright. I'm gonna start dropping it off here first to test it that I got on my iPhone and try to record it to this. I was not playing and recording on the same thing. I'm going to put the mixer on first. I just forgot to mention, my old mixer here had RCA output. It's a big problem that I was using. This is this white cable, 3.5 mil, 3.5 mil, and this one on the Mac Mini audio output. Again, I just have this over here for editing, so it's across the desk. I'm gonna replace this cable because it's just, I don't like going between 3.5 RCA and around here. Well, actually over here, and over here on this side, and there, and where's that one go? Right there. There's more points up there. So I'm gonna go with one cable that's 4 inch in to 3.5. I'm gonna go all the volumes all the way down. The default rules again, like I said, test recording using that cable, the bitter cable. So I need to go up in files. For copyright, I couldn't show all of this, but I didn't where I could because I got tired of that anyway. Alright, and go. Come on, ew. And then show the one that's up on that book. Yep. And find the input here. 5, 6. Turn that up. Turn up the stereo. And turn up the headphones. Down turn everything to go. Let's go full blast. Toward enter. Alright. Not bad. I gotta go and plug in another phone, put it off of YouTube and other channel. Then I'll record this. See how it goes. Why is it that this is a proper name? That's some weird random bullshit. Anyhow, so the speaker hooked up with the quarter inch adapter. I have the bearing or bearing, what the fuck you say? I'll play it tomorrow. I thought it does audio stuff that you brought another mixer from. Who was the actually? The whatever brand how you say. My USB is bright blue light might fucking irritate me for a while. But what things to job done, I'm fine with it. So I definitely fired up, you probably noticed. Push R to record. Volume's down by whatever fucking thing. Let me just put it, I'm trying to remember doing. Show my phone volumes up. I'm gonna try the web. Boom. Okay. I think not wanting to play back audio for whatever reason. So let's go ahead and try and get to play. And this is not go through a little bitch. I'm finding it really really hard to say how we're working on. editing. Hear that hiss in the background. There's the one MG10. It's kind of cooking too. Okay, and now for one final test, I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on off and turn the screws off, look at the mic, and so it does transmission because I don't want the earth to feedback into it. So I'll be back in a minute. Alright, I got one of the new XLR cables because mine's buried on my maybe another. Those pictures of the parents. She interesting height or not. Turn the one up. Turn the gain up a bit. I don't think I can get it or not. But for now, cut that shit real quick. I won't interfere with that. I don't know how it set the audio has to getting it. Hello. 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 Testing. Hello. Hello. Alright, so put that back. Turn the mic off real quick. Just muted it. Hello. Nice. Hello. Alright. That's what I'm gonna do right now. I do want to do other things. Hello. Testing. Hello. Yeah. Hello. Alright. So I might come back with a few days later. I recorded stuff with this thing. But yeah, so far it seems good. Not nothing to war or anything like that. Like the other one's doing. I got working on like this one. And this water's fucked up on it. And my fiasco started to begin with actually. I tried on the power cord a bit better. It's out of the way. But yeah. Thank you guys. I'll see you next episode. Alright, so real quick, I'm in the microphone. It's a little bit noisy. Especially because the sound quality from the mixer paired with a SM48. It's been about 2 weeks, I want to say, or more, with the mixer. So far, everything's in either software problems, or software problems, really. Audio settings, it's kind of being a pain in the ass. The mixer's trying really quiet. The audio's trying really loud on the software we're using to record. That's kind of pissing me off, but in general, once I start playing around with it more and I start working on it, playing the settings, the audio software being shit is not helping either. It sounds like there's a software problem with me or my computer's too weak, what it sounds like. But in reality, it should not be choosing the audio section that came with my capture card. It's to be set to pull audio from the damn mixer only. That's clearly a fucking software problem. The fact that it crashes all the fucking time too is not helpful whatsoever. So I'm gonna call this mixer so far pretty good. I'm using one of the 20-foot SLR cables that they come with. So I know that cable, I have not tested the other cable though. I used the 4th inch to 3.5 cable a lot as well. It's worked flawlessly. So I'm very happy about that. And yeah. So I'll leave you guys off with this. If you guys enjoyed the video, if you guys enjoyed the sound quality of the mic, and listen, guys, take it easy.